Welcome to Circuit, your digital workplace in the cloud. The single app that turns virtually any communication system into a collaboration powerhouse at the heart of your business, without costing the earth. Everything's in one place: your files, audio and video conferencing, screen sharing and messaging. There's no flicking between apps or opening multiple windows. It's all right where you expect it to be. And everything can be recorded, stored in the conversation and shared. Circuit was born in the cloud, so you can take it with you, everywhere you go. In the conference room, home office, on the go. And when you have to move, the conversation moves with you, with the swipe of a screen. So you can get work done your way. With Circuit, everything shared stays in the conversation stream. Your documents and presentations, videos, recordings, messages and comments. Which means every conversation happens in context, even if colleagues miss the live event, and nothing gets lost. And there's a lot more to love about Circuit. The quality of the audio, video and screen sharing experience. Like spontaneous conference calls, in-app document sharing and chat history. Ideas, files, presentations and comments. It couldn't be easier to share on Circuit. Here's how. In the conversation stream, either start a new topic or click in the reply box. Then click the paperclip icon to add your file. Choose the file you wish to add to the conversation and click Open. Once the file has been uploaded, simply hit Return. You can also share files from a cloud storage provider. Click on the paperclip icon to choose your file. Then select the cloud storage provider. Select the file or files you wish to add and click Share. Then hit Return as before to share with your team. You can also share files on mobile devices. In the conversation, click Reply. Tap the paperclip icon and choose whatever you want to share. It's that easy. Whether it's an audio, video or standard telephone call, it couldn't be easier to talk in Circuit. For example, if you want to organize a future call with your group, click the conference button and copy and paste the details below into your preferred calendar client so that people can join via the web link or by dialing in. Or see who's free and set up an instant call. You can stick with audio. Or meet face-to-face. Whichever best suits your environment. And because Circuit is built for business, PBX integration means you can dial out and receive incoming calls from anyone. You can even manage your voicemail. In Circuit, nothing matters more than the conversation. It's what it's built to do. You start a conversation with your selected colleagues in a single stream, on virtually any device anywhere. You can choose from the people you most recently interacted with, or you can begin to type their names into the text box and it'll provide a list of suggested matches. Every message you send, comment you make, conference you organize and file you upload goes into the conversation stream, which means every message is placed in context, so it's easy to pick up where you left off. You can have as many conversations with as many people as you like, and they're all fully searchable by conversation, people, files or labels. And because you can see who's available, your conversations can happen in real time. And every conversation is secure and private, only open to the people you choose. The intuitive social interface makes conversations natural and free-flowing. You can reply, like posts and attach files, and add new team members easily. Either quickly select from recent contacts or type their name into the box. When you're on the move and you need to take the call with you, you can simply swipe the call from your desktop to your smartphone. It's easy, seamless, and keeps you connected wherever you are. When you've got a lot of conversations going on, here's a tip to make sure nothing gets missed. Click on the Label button to create a new label. Give the label a name. It can be anything you like. Then use the search function to find your newly created label. It's not just labels you can find using search. You can use the search function to find what you need by conversation stream, contact, keyword and more. It couldn't be easier to never miss a thing. You can integrate Circuit with virtually any web-based application, whether a line of business system or your favorite cloud productivity apps. And it couldn't be easier. Because Circuit uses WebRTC, all you need is a web browser. And flexible APIs make creating new integrations quick and easy. You can run Circuit in combination with your existing communication system to add powerful collaboration capabilities, accelerating the performance of your teams and simplifying working with people outside your organization. Because Circuit is a core element of OpenScape Cloud, it's built for business, which means everyone can get robust, enterprise-grade voice with a comprehensive range of telephony features. With Circuit, you can share your screen and edit documents with your team, and then upload them into the conversation. And bring the content you need from Box, Google Drive, or other applications into the conversation easily in an instant. Or take a step further and integrate Circuit with the Internet of Things, supply chain, logistics, or stock management systems. In fact, almost any application. So when alerts or alarms are triggered, so is a circuit call with all the relevant people. Everyone comes together to act on the information, seizing opportunities, making decisions and solving problems faster than ever before. It's all here, right now, in your digital workplace, in the cloud. Circuit. Make your teamwork better.